Hello everyone, this is Papya Bhattacharya, Science Educator of DPS Jorhat. I wish you all a very happy World Environment Day. So environment means anything that surrounds us. It includes land, water, air, plants and animals. The theme for this year is ecosystem restoration. We know various anthropogenic activities are harming our environment. So let's join hands by planting more and more trees so that our ecosystem could be restored. The Eco Club of DPS Jorhat has come up with videos of various medicinal plants that may improve your immunity in this ongoing pandemic. So presenting before you the volunteers of Eco Club DPS Jorhat with their short videos. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Anjali Dev. Today we are going to speak about the medicinal importance of turmeric plant.
This is a turmeric plant.
My name is Srishti Dev. Turmeric is used in various kinds of skin diseases, smallpox, chickenpox, cancer, etc. Turmeric kills any kind of inflammation in our body. Thank you.
Thank you.
Morning everyone. Today I am going to speak about the medicinal properties of the snake plant. The snake plant absorbs and removes harmful toxins. It converts carbon dioxide into oxygen even if the room is closed.
Diagnosis roses, commonly known as periwinkle or bright eyes. It's used to treat several types of cancers. In Indian traditional medicine, it's used to treat different types of diseases like malaria, diabetes, high blood pressure, chest pain. It's a common flower and found all over the India. Thank
Hello
you.
everyone, my name is Siddharth and I am going to speak about stink vine, also known as skunk vine or Chinese fever vine. Here is the plant. It smells really bad but it is very beneficial for our health. It is a medicinal plant commonly used for the treatment of intestinal complaints such as abdominal pain, colic, cramps, dysentery, and also used for treating rheumatism, gout, infertility, paralysis, etc. Thank you.
Everyone, today I am going to say some medical uses of a ghiloi plant. This is a ghiloi plant. Ghiloi is an Ayurvedic herb used in Indian medicines for ages. Ghiloi is also very useful in a diabetes complication. Including ghiloi or kara in our daily routine twice a day can improve our immunity. Ghiloi is full of antioxidants and help us to release toxins from our body. Ghiloi is very useful to improve our skin.
I'm going to talk about the medicinal properties of curry tree. Curry leaves are used for both medicinal and culinary applications. Curry leaves are rich in powerful plant compounds called antioxidants which helps our body stay healthy. It has antibacterial properties and helps control body sugar level and cholesterol levels. Moreover, it tastes delicious. This is why curry leaves are used so widely in Indian cuisine.
Hello everyone. Today I am going to speak about a medicinal plant importance of briar. Can you see? This is the plant. This is used in the treatment of kidney stones, diarrhea, diabetes and also etc. This is also good for our liver. Thank you.
About the medicinal value of mint. It helps in digestion. It is good for seasonal allergies. It is good for cold and fever. It prevents congestion of nose, throat and lungs. It treats asthma. It helps prevent cancer. It improves brain function. It prevents memory loss. Thanks.
I will tell you about the medicinal values of a locally available plant of Sam, Mani Muni. There are two types of Mani Muni, small and big. This is small Mani Muni. Its scientific name is Hydrocotyl cypthorpioids. It helps in digestion, blood circulation and lowering of blood sugar. It is also used in cosmetics, especially in the line of skincare products. Thank you.
This is a baby. It's a rich source of vitamin A, vitamin C, iron, potassium, calcium, and magnesium. Also, regular intake of bay leaf can be helpful for heart disease patients and also migraine patients.
Hello, my name is Ashmita. Today I'm going to talk about a plant which has medicinal properties. This is fish mint, also known as chameleon plant or Chinese lizard tail. Its medicinal properties are it helps with digestive issues, insect bites, coughs and fevers.
Hello everyone. Today I am going to see the medicinal properties of tulsi plant. This is a tulsi plant. Some of the medicinal properties of tulsi plant are antifungal, antibacterial, antipruritic, antioxidant and anti-cancer. We also use it when we got fever.